You know, I've never made banana bread, but that rotten banana, oh, there you go. Whoops, excuse me. Let's see here, bake. 350, that'll be fine, start. Preheat the oven. Oh, I know what I'll do. I'll make banana muffins. Hey, man, that's an idea and a half. All right, banana bread muffins. I need 6 of them, okay, and I'll bake them. Oh, it is gonna be good. All right, so I gotta make like a batter. Yeah, I'll use bread, egg, banana, and butter. A better butter batter. All right, I'll preheat the oven and I'll make the neatest thing I ever seen.